Good afternoon. This is Anurag More from OEM Update, and today we have Mr. Dr. Shrivastava from Delta. And thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
So, can you tell us something about yourself and your company?
I'm Sanjeev Shrivastava. I'm heading the automation business of Delta Electronics India. And Delta is a more than 50 years old company based out of Taiwan. We started our business with power supplies, but over the years we have grown now in various industries and verticals. We have solutions for telecom, we have our data center expertise, we have our industrial automation as well. So I'm a part of the industrial automation business, which started about 30 years back, and in India we are now almost 20 years into this business.
And sir, how important is automation for entire industry?
So over the years, what we see is, if I talk specifically of the last 5-6 years, we are seeing that there is a lot of thrust from the government to make in India, which is a very right thing because for any economy to grow, manufacturing is one of the base. And in the last couple of years, we are seeing that there has been a lot of change in the industry. People are trying to automate their factories, and uh, they are also investing into newer projects. We also see that the ECM, the electronic component manufacturing. We see that there is a rise in that in India. Semiconductors are also coming in India. We have a lot of automotive companies who are diversifying in India, and a lot of foreign brands are also investing in India. So it's a very right time for us, in India to see this growth, and what we envisage that this growth will be there for the next many years.
Okay. And sir, what are the trends that you have witnessed?
The trend which is very evident is that people are now moving from the conventional manufacturing to more automated shop floors. So instead of more manual labor, we are now having robots. We are having newer machines like our linear motors, new range of servo motors and drives, which is not only enhancing the productivity, the entire efficiency of the system is also getting better, and which is playing a good role in the sustainability projects as well. So overall, with Delta products, the type of energy efficient products what we have and the technology what we have, we will see the productivity of the Indian industries gaining momentum in the coming years.
Sir, lastly, how does the event like ENGIMACH help Delta?
ENGIMACH is a very important event for us because we are a big player in the machine tool industry, and what we see is we have our products which align with the machine tool industry. And I was going through the entire exhibition, and we saw that a lot of companies are using Delta products in one way or the other. We also have the three largest OEMs of the CNC machines who are using the Delta products, which are displayed here. And when we go to their stalls, we see that they are also using, in their latest machines, our products. A lot of good inquiries have come up uh, in terms of people enhancing their productivity. And moving forward, I see that such type of exhibitions will play an important role in the industries.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Thank you.